The Unmanned Network's unique opportunity module is a two-sided market platform catering the unmanned industry, enabling to obtain direct, actionable leads on one end, as well as upload any company requirement to be fulfilled by the network's thousands of users and suppliers, with just a click of a button on the other. What is an opportunity? An opportunity is any technical, component, whole or subsystem, service, operational, human resource, marketing, training, logistic, and manufacturing-related requirement that an unmanned network member obtains in addition to any other content, providing additional opportunities such as conferences and exhibitions, speaking slots, webinars, podcasts, and more. These requirements translate immediately into direct, actionable leads in specific accordance with your company's products and services, with automated alerts and notifications available only on the Unmanned Network. Coupled with the Tenders module, the Unmanned Network delivers pinpoint leads for immediate business growth in parallel to fulfilling company needs. It doesn't get any more direct than this.